This is the SellSeva Listings page. This is where I can see everything currently in the system, whether it was created inside SellSeva or imported from a connected marketplace. At the top, I get the catalog health at a glance. How many listings exist? How many are live? What is publishing? What is queued? And what needs attention? Inventory Audit checks SellSeva against the connected marketplaces through the Chrome extension. It is useful after imports, cross-listing, or marketplace sales because it confirms whether SellSeva and the marketplaces still match. In this demo, the audit is locked because it has already been run. SellSeva shows the last audit time and the next eligible run, so the seller knows the inventory check has already completed. The report shows exactly what was checked. Here, 42 listings across 7 marketplaces were audited, and 2 discrepancies need review. The first issue is a quantity problem. Poshmark appears sold out, but SellSeva still shows one available. The seller can confirm whether the item is physically available, then either mark it sold or restore the marketplace quantity. The second issue is a mapping problem. Vinted is listed in SellSeva, but no live marketplace URL is connected yet. The fix is to open the listing row, paste the live Vinted URL, and let the next audit verify the link. I can also spot mismatches directly from the listing row. This Sega Genesis bundle shows 10 total quantity, 2 sold, and 8 still available. The warning tells me marketplace records need sync. eBay and Poshmark show 1 sold each, and SellSeva is tracking the remaining available quantity so the seller does not oversell. The quantity mismatch tag is the signal that 1 or more marketplace quantities need to be refreshed or corrected. From this same row, I can cross-list the item to marketplaces where it is not yet listed. I can see what is live, what is not listed, and use Crosslist to publish the missing channels. Cross-listing from the row keeps the item tied to one SellSeva inventory record. If I need to change anything, I can open Edit. From there, I can update listing details, photos, price, shipping, quantity, and selected marketplaces. After editing, I can save the listing or publish it to different marketplaces. SellSeva queues the marketplace work through the extension and keeps the listing status visible from this page. So this page is not just a list. It is the control center for current inventory, audit results, quantity mismatches, cross-listing, edits, and marketplace publishing.